In this video, I'll be discussing the exact strategy used to carve out another profitable cash flow opportunity in day trading using AMD. AMD was and is a stock that we follow every single day in the day trading room here at Real Life Trading. And this strategy that I used to trade AMD aggressively this morning is quite easy. What you'll notice is that we had a bullish day yesterday. So if I just hide all the lines for a moment, bullish day, meaning we had a buying candle. Now, not only is it a buying candle, but it also has increased bullish volume, as you can see here. Number two, it was an inside day candle, meaning the high and the low is fully within the low and the high of the prior day. And not only that, but we opened below the open of yesterday. So the entire body, right? The open to close, the entire body was trapped. So the open of yesterday was 89.86. The open of today was 89.74. So thus, people are horrifically trapped on AMD. So the strategy, go into a 3-minute chart and trade it as we get an opportunity to do so. The 10 EMA strategy calls for a bullish candle closing below the 10 EMA on both time frames, the extended and non-extended chart. So if we just put both side by side, we can kind of walk through and kind of really get a good perspective of what happened. The left chart, I'll be doing the extended hours, and the right chart will be the non-extended. You'll kind of see the overall trade progress. This, if I turn the lines back on, this green line here was the low of day from yesterday. So if I go on a play-by-play perspective, this was the very first bullish candle that came in. Now, granted, we had to wait 9 entire minutes for that bullish candle to come in. Very strong bullish candle, a lot of buying occurring right at the low of the day of yesterday. Signal alone to go short. So we set the trade up. Entry here, stop loss there. This is a $1 stop loss, 88.15, 89.15. So whatever your risk is, you take your risk and divide by 1, and that's how many shares you get. The next candle makes this trade even better. The next candle was an inside candle, right? Creating tons of compression with an extremely nice lower shadow. This lower shadow representing tons of buying that was coming in off of the low of the day. That gave me even additional conviction to add another 1,000 shares to this trade. So this was actually a 6,000 share trade taken in 2 different accounts. One account with 5,000 shares, the other account with 1,000 shares. And I'll show you both of those trades in just a few seconds. The entry was right there. Next candle was a high wave bullish candle. Waited for that to break down, which it did 3 minutes later. And this was an amazing cash flow opportunity on AMD. And that's it. Ladies and gentlemen, follow a strategy, make it simple, and have the ability to carve out cash flow opportunities just like this right here every single month. Keep in mind, you don't have to make money every day to make money every month. April has actually been a little bit of a struggle bus for me early on, but the last week or so has really been shaping up to end strong and profitable in the green. Ladies and gentlemen, you are fantastic. Thanks for tuning in to this video. I hope it was helpful, beneficial, and enriching. You absolutely rock.